Hey, it's Kwasi. Welcome back to my real estate blog. Today's topic is your Seattle market update. All right, welcome back. Today's topic is your Seattle market update, and we're seeing more of the same. So both for King County residential homes and condos, we're seeing more inventory. We're seeing less pending sales, so houses going under contract, but we're also seeing home prices continue to appreciate. And we're somewhere between 6 and 6.5%, whether it's condo or residential home. And obviously, depending on area, this is just King County as a whole. But look, uh, for residential, the big story and with condos is inventory increase. 86% more inventory for residential housing. And for condos, you're about 188% year over year as far as inventory increase. But with the home prices continuing to go up, there's lots of options for everybody out there. So let's talk about buyers. You have lots of options out there. You're not going to be as in such a competitive market as we were. And if you get in right now, you're still going to get a great rate because the Fed has already said they're going to continue to raise interest rates. There's nowhere to go but up. And the next increase is as soon as December. So, something to look into. If you're a seller, you're still seeing prices go up and you're not worried about the bottom dropping out because we're seeing more inventory, yet prices are going to continue to go up. They're not double digits, but it's still appreciating. If you're a renter, you're seeing more inventory, you're seeing incentives to move in, free month's rent. I'm going to give you, Amazon Dot, or I'm going to give you, an iPod or whatever it might be. So you're seeing lots of incentives out there. And investors, look, this, it's all about when you buy and at the price you purchase at. But if you make a bad purchase, the market's not going to bail you out the way it has in the last few years. So you want to make sure that you know your numbers, that you're conservative with what that value is going to be in the future, and just make a smart decision when it comes to the purchase. So there are a lot of things to talk about this information and all the stats that are out there. Whether you're a buyer, seller, renter, investor, all this information can be used and talked about. But you really need somebody to guide you through that process. And like I always say, the one step that you need to remember is to give me a call and I'll help guide and advise you through the rest of the steps. Thanks for listening.